When winter is finally over and spring vacation is on its way, another letter arrives for Sophie. She sticks the envelope in her pocket and climbs up to her treehouse. High above, she begins to read. Sailor news for Sophie, 33 Elm Road, Mansfield, Ohio, USA. From Felix Rabbit, presently in the Caribbean. Should we open it, friends? All right, here we go. March 21st, under the palms. Ahoy, my Sophie. I am sorry that I couldn't write until now, but for weeks I've seen nothing but water. All that blue I saw from the moon rocket, sometimes there were waves as big as a house, and the ship rocked something awful. My face turned green, but there's no storm. It's fun on the ship. I sleep on a hammock, and I can climb the sails too. I secretly borrowed a deep-sea diver's mask with a snorkel and fins. As I swam around just below the waves, I realized that there's a whole different world down there. From the rocket, all that blue looked the same, but it's not. Way out in the middle of the ocean, you can see different kinds of plants and animals than you can find near the shore. And things living near the top of the water are very different from the strange creatures at the bottom. I heard that some animals live in water that's more than 6 miles deep, where it's always pitch dark, except for the light coming from the fish that glow. Sophie, 2 big mountains came up to me while I was swimming in the waves. Can you guess what they were? Whales! They spray water in the air and talk to each other with songs instead of words. I also saw dolphins try to swim out to the ship and do somersaults. Sometimes it sounds just like they're laughing together, just like you and Joanna. At the moment, we have dropped anchor at a harbor. I can't wait to go snorkeling again and see what other interesting things the sea has to offer. I wish you were here too, so I could get a coconut from the tallest palm tree. Hugs and kisses and a genuine sailor surprise just for you. From Felix. P.S. On the ship next to ours, there's a researcher who's busy with lots of odd instruments. I'm going to investigate. Look, friends, Felix sent us a secret flag language. It says the sailors wave these around. Look, each flag has a different letter from the alphabet. Sophie reads this letter 3 times, then closes her eyes, imagining the palm tree island, the coconuts, the whales, and the sea. Then the porch door creaks and Mom calls, "Look who's here! It's Aunt Etta!" Sophie's heart jumps for joy. Lightning fast, she climbs down and runs into Aunt Etta's arms. Inside, Mom sets the table and Sophie starts making waffle batter all by herself. Aunt Etta is very impressed with how well Sophie makes waffles. As the smell of waffles fills the whole house, Julius calls Grandma to invite her over. Soon Grandma arrives and gives Aunt Etta a hug, and then all the grandchildren, and then Aunt Etta gets yet another hug. Finally, Sophie's stomach is already growling. Everybody gets waffles with strawberries and whipped cream. The next day, Sophie takes the colorful flag chart Felix sent her to school. Sophie's teacher immediately has a good idea. She draws the flag for the letter S on the board. "Look, this is my flag because my name is Sally," she says. "That's my flag too," says Sophie whispers to her friend Joanna, who is busy drawing her own J flag.